Hi everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial for a look that I'm gonna do for my 30-day challenge photography. This is for day number 21. It's gonna be crying. Well, it's not really just crying, it's like makeup running down your face. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know, in case it's like for a moody type of picture. I'm still thinking about it if I should make them black and white. I'm still thinking about it. I kind of drew it, but I'm not going to show it to you because it's just like, it was just for me. But I just want to do like black eyeshadow, black eyeliner, and mascara. Nothing too drastic. And then spray my face with some water and go like that and just make it all smear down. I am going to show you the products that I'm going to be mainly using. Black eyeliner, I'm going to smudge it and then with that just like, even it out so it doesn't look patchy. I'm still debating on whether or not I should put like a winged eyeliner. I don't know because I don't want to take too long on this. And for my lips, I wasn't going to put anything, but I thought that maybe I could like go like that and smear it a bit down to make it look like, a little more dramatic. So I have this NYX black lipstick. It's pretty good. I used it, I got it for my birthday and it does its job. I mean, yeah. And this is a liner. I don't think I'm going to use it, but just in case I wanted to add more definition. I have this mascara. It's like, is it Thalia? And it's not like a good mascara, but I know this one will stream down if I use it. So it's just a whatever mascara. Base, I don't even think I'm going to, no, just probably for my eyes. It's my Superstay 332 powdered foundation. I guess just a little bit. I don't know. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Got2b glue just to pat them in so they won't move. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's start. Okay, so like I said, I don't want to put too much of this one. I just want to maybe put it around my eyes a little bit where I know the makeup is going to be at. So probably just this. Dang, can you tell the difference? I love powdered foundation so much. I said my eyes, but I'm just going to do like a quick swipe all over my face. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to eyebrows. I'm just going to get a spoolie. Okay, my eyebrows look a little pale because my spoolie, I forgot to clean it and it had like foundation concealer on it. So it kind of looks a little brightened. I'm not mad about it, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I wish I could tell you the brand of this eyeliner, but it's I think it was my mom's and I don't really use eyeliner. So that's why I never finish it, but I'm going to put that around my eye. Both eyes. The difference it makes. Okay, I'm gonna use this small flat brush. I was gonna use my finger, but let me see how it blends with this. If not, then I'll just go back in with my finger. I'm gonna use my finger. The thing with this is that I don't want it to be too perfect. You see how it's kind of like not being perfect? That's the point. I mean, it's gonna be all gushed down anyways. Okay, now that you look like you were dragged through trash and beaten up, I think this is it. I think I'm okay with this. I'm just kind of going like this so it can like drag down a little bit. I did go back with this and went around my eye just so it could be a bit darker. Now, I thought about it. I'm not going to use the palette. I don't want to put eyeshadow on this. I'm going to put mascara on. I also thought about putting eyeliner, but no, I'm good. I think this is working good enough. This is what the mascara spoolie thing looks like. I'm going to, with this same like mascara thing, I'm just gonna like tap the bottom lash like that. Just so it can like, you know, like when I put water, it kind of looks like that's running down already. Okay. This looks so funny. Before I spray water on my face and everything, I'm gonna put on the black lipstick. I'm not gonna outline my lips because I think that's just a little too much. And this is supposed to be dramatic, so black lipstick. I don't want it to be too perfect because I mean I'm gonna smudge it. So let me change clothes and I'll be right back. Okay, for the sake of this video right now and what I'm about to do, I put my hair up, but it's gonna be with my hair down. So now I'm going, oh, eyelashes. Okay, now that I already have everything ready, I put a little towel here. I'm gonna get my water and let's start spraying. I kind of want it to seem like I was, you know, rubbing and then pulling out, but it also like that it's like going down my face. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this other eye. This one looks a little too over the top. I'm just gonna. I'm scared to do the lips, but I'm just gonna like smudge it a little bit because I also don't want it to be like too weird looking. Looks like I'm from those heavy metal bands. I think that's okay. I'm gonna let the water dry down a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, well, I obviously don't want the water to dry too much. I'm probably gonna be having this just to spray in my eye area so it can like look wet like I'm crying. Um, Also in the shoot, I'll probably like once I already took enough like this, I'm probably gonna smudge more, but like with this, you know, just to get some effects like that. And yeah, I think this is it. This could also be like a scary Halloween look. I don't know. Um, that's all I got for you right now. I will be back with the results. Okay, well, I just took the pictures for this and it was really interesting to do. I mean, I don't know. Let me, the pictures will go here. I really did try to make it look like I was crying, but I have an ugly cry face. So we'll see. I need to take this off. One thing for sure is that I am probably going to be seeing black all day tomorrow because, oh, well, I feel like a lot of it got into my eyes, so I don't know if that's going to come out in the pictures, but yeah, it was wow. Okay, I think that's it for me. I will see you in the next video. There's one that's coming up. I don't know exactly when I'm going to do it, but it's more art style and I'm kind of nervous about it. So it might be a long video because it is a lot of makeup. So stay tuned. Bye. to get in the mood, I put a lot of my emo songs. Sleeping with Sirens, they're going on tour and I won't be able to see them. I really wanted to, but I can't. So I had a little concert here.